CPU socket. This is where your CPU will plug in. The orange surrounding it is used for the heat sinks. It helps to support the weight of the heat sink. North bridge. This is the north bridge for this motherboard. This allows communication between the CPU and the system memory and the PCIe. South bridge. This is the controller for components such as the PCI slots, onboard audio, and USB connections. IDE. The IDE is the connection for your hard drive or CD or DVD drive. SATA. These are 4 of the 6 SATA connections on the motherboard. SATA means Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. PCI slots. This board has 2 PCI slots. This can be used for components such as Ethernet cards, sound cards, and modems. AGP slot is the place where you insert or install AGP cards. AGP stands for Accelerated Graphics Port. This slot is for graphics and 3D gaming purpose. ATX. This is one of 2 power connections that supply power to the motherboard. This connection will come from your power supply. RAM slots. RAM slot is the place where you insert RAM. CMOS battery. This is the motherboard's battery. This is used to allow the CMOS to keep its settings. Back panel. This is a connector at the back of a computer where you plug in an external device such as a printer, keyboard, scanner, mouse, modem, and many more. It contains the display ports, audio ports, USB ports, Ethernet ports, PCIe S2 ports, and etc. and data.